2024 Kawasaki Ninja Z500 SE. My son just showed up, fresh from the dealer. Never been ridden before. Crimson red. Got the crimson red wheels.
I can't make it.
Of course, the Z500. Really fancy looking wheels on that. So it's got the frame sliders. It has the lower fairing with the this is the SE ABS. There's the ABS right there. So in the Ninja Z500, this is the top of the line model. So it's like almost like a gunmetal gray flat, and then with the high polish red.
Now what is it?
Slipper clutch.
I know it's called 500. 500, yeah.
It's got the radiator shield on it from the
I
factory.
sort of like almost like flat. The fender's not shiny.
It's like a gunmetal, yeah.
Is it rough or is it smooth? It just looks smooth.
What's up, Eva? Does Mama talk to you? Hey,
Yeah, real pretty bike. Now this has the
Did you ride it?
No, not yet.
the upgraded TFT.
Oh, you ride
I'll
it
get more
up there
video once we
before you
get it
put it
out
on
of the
here?
truck.
You want someone to help balance it?
No, I'm good.
You're okay?
Keep going, keep going.